मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ। So I actually baked this cake on the morning of 16th May. You know that also happens to be my birthday.
Happy birthday.
And also, if you haven't liked, subscribed or shared,
I am once again asking for your financial support.
now coming back to what I was saying, तो बेकिंग और वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग दोनों 16th मॉर्निंग तक कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी और बस थोड़ी मोड़ी एडिट करके आई वॉज इन कंप्लीट मोटिवेशन दैट आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द वीडियो ड्यूरिंग द नाइट इटसेल्फ, कंप्लीटली डन। फिर मैंने पूरे मोटिवेशन में अपने मम्मी पापा को भी अपने गोल्स के बारे में बताया एंड यू नो दे वर रियली हैप्पी अबाउट इट कि चलो इसको खाने और सोने के अलावा कुछ तो आता है। तो अगले दिन वे दोनों सुबह उठे और मैं दोपहर को, एंड देन दे आस्क मी, तेरा चैनल तो देखा हमने, कहीं तो वीडियो अपलोडेड नहीं है कुछ भी, कहाँ है वीडियो? टू विच आई रिप्लाइड, नींद आ गया था मम्मी, मस्त तो खा के मैं सो गया, बहुत लेजी लेजी फील हो रहा था, अभी क्या करता, सो गया मैं।
I'm sorry.
दिस वॉज हाउ दे रिएक्टेड। एंड यार लॉकडाउन में मैं इतनी कंसिस्टेंट मोटिवेशन कहाँ से लेके आऊँ? आई मीन सबका तो यही हाल है और मैंने तो इतनी दफा महाभारत देख ली है कि सिर्फ एक चीख सुन के मैं बता देता हूँ कि अब किसका वध कहाँ होने वाला है। But that was only until a few days ago when I posted my first video and the response by you guys was simply overwhelming. मतलब सच में यार एक अलग सा ही जोश आ जाता है ये वाला सपोर्ट देख के और it drives me to be the best YouTuber, to be even better than PewDiePie, Carrie Minati, BB की Vines.
मुंह से मूंगफली टूट नहीं रही है से अखरोट टूटे आख्या।
Leaving that aside, today I decided to do something sweet. And instead of doing some sweet dishes, you know, which might be a little complex, I decided to bake a cake instead, you know, for my birthday. And ये काफ़ी सिंपल और effortless रेसिपी होने वाली है जो आप अपने घरों पे आराम से बना सकते हो. And also for this recipe, I've used a simple glass utensil just because the professional set is actually not available with everybody. So to keep it simple and effortless, I've used this. And now without delivering any more monologues, let's get on with it. So to start off, we'll need a bowl of sugar and we'll grind it just like this into a fine powder so that, you know, it just becomes easier for us to whisk it later on. We will also need 3 eggs, some cocoa powder, a chocolate syrup, some baking powder, and also a bowl full of milk. You also need a vanilla essence and it's available at any local shop. You will also need a large bowl of all-purpose flour, that is maida as you know it. And then you just do like this and voila, your cake is ready. I'm just kidding.
अबे साले तभी मेरा
So first of all, we will be needing a big enough utensil in which we will be adding our sugar powder. We will then go on to add our 3 eggs. And yeah, I really need to learn how to crack eggs perfectly, you know, for presentation purposes. After that, we need to add the bowl of milk in and also some melted butter, which a small amount will be enough. We can then add a bowl of refined oil, which I actually forgot to show you in the ingredients panel. And then we will add in our cocoa powder, just like this. We have to sieve it thoroughly. So you can see the lumps right here don't get in and the whisk later on will be quite easy for us. Now here again, we'll take a whisk, not throw it away, because this time we'll be needing it to whisk our mixture thoroughly for a few seconds and then add our baking powder. And guys, now is the real test. We have to continuously give it a super strong whisk for at least 10 minutes and remember, यहाँ आप जिस भी हाथ से whisk कर रहे हो उसमें थोड़ी तो दर्द होगी ही, but the youth of today shouldn't have any problem as हमें तो इसकी आदत है. Coming back to the video, after 10 minutes, we will have something like this. And now we'll add at least 5 to 6 spoons of maida. I've just shown 2 here. And now as we know, the youth is immune to this pain of the whisk. We will again give it a super strong whisk for at least 15 minutes, non-stop. After it's done, we'll take a glass utensil and some melted butter, spread it on the sides just like this, and the final whisked mixture will go in carefully. We'll now carefully put it in the oven to bake and then use the microwave just like I've shown here. Set the timer to 8 minutes and done. You can see the cake is baked really well and it didn't even fall from the sides, which goes on to tell you that the composition we used was perfect. And to further ensure it, take a knife, poke it in, and now you can see little or negligible fragments sticking, which means your cake is ready to serve. As you can see, I did a little bit of plating of my own, and as it is a budget cake which can be made easily and by everyone, I just used a dairy milk bar and a chocolate syrup to get this final product. मैंने इसके लिए ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव टॉपिंग्स एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स बर्तनों का यूज़ इसलिए नहीं किया, जस्ट बिकॉज ये सबके पास अवेलेबल नहीं होती. इसलिए सिंपल प्रोडक्ट्स एंड यूटेंसिल्स को यूज़ करके गेटिंग समथिंग दिस गुड अच्छा लगता है. एंड अगेन अ बिग थैंक यू टू द सपोर्ट यू गाइस शोड towards the last video, and if you like the content, please feel free to copy the recipe and please shower in your likes, comments and subscribes. I will be really grateful and really obliged. And I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be back again with some more lip smacking recipes. Until then, stay safe, sanitize yourself and keep watching Plasma TV. This is Prince Shrivastava signing off.